So she is having headaches that are radiating from the back of the left shoulder up to the back of the left side of her neck and head, and the right shoulder radiating up. So what we're going to do is come down through here, right in between these shoulder blades, right here. All right, and take a deep breath in for me and let it all out. Let that go. Good. Come down in here. Take another deep breath in and let it all out. Good. All right, go onto your back for me. Crisscross there. Lean this way. Take a deep breath in and let it all out. Perfect. Right up here. So what I'm feeling right here on the right side of your neck is a rotation within that vertebrae. So we're going to do an adjustment to align that. So we're going to go right here. Perfect. And we're going to go right here. Awesome. How's that feel? Good. Release. Let's check those shoulder blades. Perfect. Do you feel that? Okay. So let's check your low back as well. Go back onto your stomach for me. So we're going to look at the alignment of the low back, and you're really rotating off to the left. Right there. And even see that left leg's a little bit longer. So go ahead and lie on your left side. Face that way for me. Come around this way. Go here. Here. Bring this side down. Take a deep breath in and let it all out.
Yeah.
Perfect. Go on to the other side. Go this way. That way. We're going to bring this side up. Take a deep breath in and let it all out. Awesome. On your back for me. And now we're going to stretch out your neck. Feeling okay? And so all these muscles that attach from that shoulder up into the cervical spine and the neck, which is the upper trap muscle and the levator scap muscle, this is what we want to stretch. Because when they get tight, they'll pull that shoulder right up to that ear. And that's what can also cause those headaches and migraines. Keeping this nice and stretched out will help that feel better. Does that hurt at all? No. There we go. All right. You're all set. You're welcome.